it's April. I wanted to come on and show you guys how to put this little treat box together. This is just a triangular treat box. It will not hold the Ferrero Rochers, but it will hold your Andes candies, your Hershey's Nuggets, those kind of things, peppermints, little miniature candy canes, those kind of things. And I've used the Cricut foil poster board in that bluish purple color, and I love it. And you just open it up and it says let it snow. You can change this to any message you want. I have it set for pin so that everybody can open it, and you can just change that to deboss if you want to use it like I did. Super easy and simple to assemble. First of all, I'm going to say get your little snowflakes and just gently remove them from your mat. Now, I used a seasoned mat. Use a blue mat if you're afraid you can't get these off your mat without ripping them. I just cut these on the Cricut foil poster board setting, and I had no problem. They were intricate. I did use more pressure, but I have a dull blade. Or really not a dull blade, but it's not a new blade. So pull those off your mat. Careful not to bend them. And I'm going to start by putting these snowflakes on. It's easier to do it now than it is after, just because they're so small. And so I'm just going to put just a dot. Remember, with foil, you don't want to get it so wet that it bubbles up on that finish. And we're just going to lay those down. And if you're a little bit of a messy gluer, this will keep you from getting glue on your foil panel later. Super simple. And we can do this box in other themes if you guys want. Let me know. If you want to do it in a leaf theme, something like that, we can certainly do those. We can change this shape on the front to just about anything. I think it would be beautiful just with some foiled images as well on this panel. We can change the shaped edge of it. It's very easy to change the shaped edge. I have a blank. Let me know what you want, and we can do those. Try to get those on a little straighter than what I did. I got off a little bit on that one on the center, but it's still pretty. All right, so now we have those on there. We're going to take and fold. You're going to mount and fold all of the vertical and all of the horizontal lines, or away from you, whatever is easier for you to remember, mountain or away. And then you've got these two lines on this panel, and they are valley fold. You're just going to fold it back and use your bone folder. Give it a good crisp fold. Very easy to fold this. So it's going to look something like that. And you're going to do the exact same thing to this one. All of the horizontal and all of the vertical lines are mount and fold. And those angled lines are going to be valley. Just like so. Once you have that done, you're going to put glue on this end tab. You're going to bring this piece in, and you're not going to line it up at the bottom. The bottom is longer, and that is so because the closes to the back. Okay, so I made this one a little bit shorter to remind you to fold it to the inside. Not going to hurt anything on it being shorter, just a reminder. So you have that, and then you're just going to bring this over, and I'm just going to fold this tab in and put glue on that tab. And then we're going to bring this one over. And again, we're just going to line that side up with this score line right here. Don't worry about the bottom. Just want to make sure that it's good and square right here. Okay. All right. And now we're going to go to the bottom. We're going to open this up. We're going to fold in the two sides. And I like to put a little glue on here. You don't have to. Totally up to you. And then you're going to bring this piece right here on this side. You're going to bring that one in. Okay. Remember I said it's shorter. Should leave a little bit of a hole there. Just make sure that your sides are lined up. And then we're going to put a little glue on this panel. And we're going to fold that over towards the back. And then I'm just going to go inside and press it down from each side. Just kind of distribute that glue around. Super easy and simple. Now I have two magnets. You can use Velcro closures, whatever it is that you want to use. If you're using Velcro, it's going to have to go on top of your decorative panel. So I've got two of them stacked up here, and I'm just going to put, actually I have three. Let me get rid of one of those. These are card magnets. I get them from Amazon. There's the Amazon link down below. It's just a generic link. If you just search card magnets, you should find them. If you don't, let me know and I'll get you an exact link. And then we're just going to take that one off so that we have one here. And I'm just going to pull that off, and I'm just going to stick it right in the center of that flap. Then I'm going to take my second magnet, and we're going to drop it on there so that we know that we're putting our dot or our glue on the right side of the magnet. And then I'm just going to bring that dot in there. And it's going to pull it apart, but I'm just going to peel this off and drop it back down on there so that my sticky is there. Get rid of that liner. There we go. And then I'm just going to pinch these sides in. That's important. Pinch them in and close. And then you can open that up. Oops, had a little bit of glue overspill there. Not a big deal. It'll be hidden. Give that a press. Give it a good press down. Okay. Want it to hold, because you don't want to be pressing on this piece because of the foil, or even if it's cardstock, you'll leave an indentation, and we don't want to leave an indentation on that. We don't want glue on the front either. And then I'm just going to place it right on the front. And I've got glue on my fingers. I'm going around that magnet and trying not to press right down on the magnet. I just want to glue the sides, the top, and the bottom down, keeping it even. See if I can get that off. I had glue on my thumb. There we go. All right. I'll get it off with the glue eraser after it gets good and dry. All right. So now we have our little box. You're just going to tuck your sides in and bring your flap down, and it will hold it closed. How super cute is that? All right, guys, super fun, easy, and simple. This is our winter Let It Snow theme, and you have your debossing or whatever it is you want to do on there. If you want to do pin, foiling would be gorgeous too. I hope that you enjoy this tutorial, and I will catch you on the next video. Happy crafting and happy Halloween.